And they're on their way. Madam Composita proudly outside. Queen's King moving up. Then running by Daryl Aloha moving up. Janelle's episode. In between runners comes Orient Pearl. Karma comes next, followed by Anopos. Real Excellent twining on her hand. Start Perk is in behind them past the last 900 and going to the final 800 meters. Two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Karma running by the rail. Janelle's episode throwing a challenge on the outside. Aloha is sneaking in down on the inside. Queen's King is racing in fourth as they turn to the last 600. Two runners still fighting it out for the lead. Karma from the outside. Aloha running down on the inside and moving up is Queen's King. Janelle's episode as they turn for home. Karma running at the center, racing wide of it is Queen's King by the release. Aloha, Janelle's episode with the last 150 more to run. We have Karma, Queen's King fighting back once again on the outside. It's Karma, Queen's King is on the outside. Aloha, Janelle's episode. And finally at the finish line, it's going to be Karma, Queen's King, Janelle's episode. Aloha, ano pose for your pentapecta?
Okay, they